What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to FBA Capital. And today I'm bringing you guys another daily range on US30. Today is actually a bank holiday. It is Martin Luther King Day, and today is January 17th. So let's get right on into this daily market breakdown. Not market breakdown, daily chart. Nah, daily range breakdown. That's how it is. So first things first, we're gonna start off by marking up the previous day's highs and low. As you can see, overall today, not much happened. It was overall a very low volatile, low volume day. Not much really happened overall. You could tell prices overall consolidated, but that doesn't mean we can't overall analyze what happened. So first things first, we marked up the previous day's highs and low. We're gonna mark up the 12 a.m. open. Then we're gonna mark up the Asian session. This is the main three things I like to do as soon as I wake up in the morning, and it's also the main things that I do when I'm doing the daily range, because all these three things are gonna basically give me what I need to understand and what I need to know to basically figure out overall what I'm expecting to happen throughout the day, and basically just overall look at what happened throughout the day. Both work. So now I'm going to mark up the 50% of that Asian range. I'm going to mark up this down here. Why? Because this was the low of the day. The low of the day was created after trading below this 12 a.m. This 12 a.m. open, traded right below it, traded right into this bullish order block that we have right here. This bullish 15-minute order block. I'm going to make this just like this. I'm going to make it like that and make this right there. We traded right into this bullish order block, making the low of the day at 1 in the morning. So we made the low of the day at 1 in the morning. We're going to also put that at 1 a.m. plus trade it into the 15-minute order block. And that made the low of the day. And from there, price continued to move on higher throughout the day. Then what happened after this? You can easily see that price came down, rejected. Where did it reject? It came to the 50% of this overall Asian session range, came right to the 50%, also came down to this 15-minute order block. And this is personally where I was looking for price to get in. I was looking to get into a trade earlier this morning. This is where I was looking to take price higher. I was looking to possibly target the Asian session high and looking to target this high. But as you can see, price did not have that full move. It ended up coming back down, stopping me out at break even. And then from here, you can see price continued to come back into this Asian session, not Asian session, this 15-minute order block. Came right into that 50% of it, and then from here, price started to move a little bit higher again. But overall, not much really happened, in my opinion. We can also see that this is also right at the 36,000 whole number level, big figure level, whatever you guys want to call it, institutional level, psychological level, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to just call it the big figure level. And then you can see all the way down here, we have our other whole number levels, but none of these really matter. The only other level that I would take into consideration is 35,850. Why 850? Because this is right where price came down to at that 1 a.m. So this is where price made the low of the day. This isn't a big figure level, it is a mid figure level, so that's why I made this one black instead of red. So you can see price targeted the 36,000, and this made the high of the day. So we're gonna annotate that. We got that right there. High of the day at what time? This was at 5:30 in the morning, so we're gonna put 5:30 a.m. after trading into 36,000, which is our big figure level. And you can see the reaction we had. Price cleared it. And what did we also do? We also cleared this high over here. This wasn't the high of the Asian session because we did have this wick, but it did clear these highs right here. And then from there, price came back lower, traded into this Asian session. Not Asian. I keep saying the Asian session. Traded right into this 15-minute order block at what time? 9:15. So we're going to annotate that also. We got the 15-minute order block at 9:15. So we had that. We're going to mark that up. So we had the 15-minute order block rejection at 9:15. We were looking to take price at least 36,000. That's personally where I was looking to take profit at. But as you can see, price ended up coming back down, stopping me out at break even. And then from there, price overall continued to range. So now let's make the schematic of overall what happened today. So we have the Asian session range. The low, we made the low of the day after clearing it, coming a little bit lower, tapping into the 35,850 level. Then from there, price traded all the way higher, clearing the high that was up here. Didn't clear the wick, but cleared the candle's highs. And then overall, again, price continued to range. So not much really happened. Today was a very simple day. This is a good example of why I personally don't always trade holidays. Today was an exception because I did see the trade opportunity and I did take it. But overall, you can see nothing much really happened. So I ended up taking a small loss of about have it over here of about 0.3%, no, 0.2.9%. So a very small loss, very minuscule. And as you can see, price is actually rejecting right now after it came up to this 36,000 level. So we're gonna see what happens. Price might come down to this area again, but this is basically what happened today. Nothing crazy, simple analysis. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna put it inside of my Telegram chat. So make sure you check out the Telegram chat if you haven't already. But today is a basic, nothing much really happened. Low volume day, not much volatility. That was to be expected. And if you also come down to, oh, NAS is falling right now. Okay, didn't expect that. But same thing happened with NAS. Nothing much really happened. So overall, it was a pretty simple day. This is going to be a simple daily range. But make sure you annotate this. Make sure you take this and study it, because this is going to give us insight on what to expect next year from Martin Luther King, because there's only one Martin Luther King Day a year. So just keep in mind, these holidays, there's not much momentum. So that's always something to keep in mind. So on that note, I'm going to end the video off here. So if you enjoyed this video, if you were able to learn something, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you be motivated by the fear of being average. And I will see you guys in the next video.